Okay, good morning. Today is July 5. So, what am I looking at? So, they brought the trucks. They brought something that looks like, I don't know, is this gravel? Gravel? So, they are probably going to start work again. So, I just think they brought things to get ready for work. Because I don't see anything being done here. So, they brought the gravel. Still a lot of bush back there. So they probably are going to start working on the driveway. So these are the things they will put to make it strong. Now I'm not going to be around, by the grace of God, I will come back probably Saturday. But if possible, I can come back before then. So not much to see today, but I'll come either during the week or if I don't come during the week, then by the grace of God I'll come on Saturday. But looks like work is going to start again. See all this, looks like work is going to start again, and I think this is how they're going to bring the sewer. So the PA1 has given them the okay to dig. So that's what I think is going to happen next week. But I'm working again next week, so but I'll give you an update by the grace of God. Now it looks like some digging. Okay, some digging has been done. Ooh. So okay, that's interesting. So work has actually been done. See, this is probably the sewer. You can see